Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's November 24, 2025. Today you will be learning how to answer questions from the previous videos in October. We'll cover those one by one. And if you remember, the first question in October was, how are you? And that's what you will be learning today, how to answer that in Visayan and Tagalog. Are you ready? Let's start. Okay, let's start asking how are you? And you have to answer I'm okay. And in Visayan, you have to say kumusta naman ka? And you have to answer okay ra. And in Tagalog, you have to say kumusta na? And you have to answer okay lang. All right, this is all for today and enjoy learning. Hope to see you next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and enjoy learning.